Hello students, welcome to the chemistry online class. We had asked you to come to the college and show your notes as well as the assignments what we had given. But we received very bad response from you all students. So personally I got very much disappointed regarding this, because we are taking this much interest in online teaching, but your response is very irresponsibly you are behaving. No doubt we got a certain good response from the girl students, but boys, at least only 2 to 3 boys have shown the assignments as well as notes. So I felt very bad about this, and as per the instructions of principal as well as HOD, they have given few more days time to you. If at all you don't come to the college and show your assignments as well as notes to the respective teachers, they are going to remove your names from the online teaching group. So then it is left to you whether you continue with the second PUC or you are going to discontinue. It is left to you. Got it? Okay, and the students who all have shown the assignment, in them also I can find a number of mistakes in the notes. I think you need not to do such mistakes, because each and everything I have explained clearly in the video. If at all you have the doubts, you can just pause the video and you can revise it once again. Or else, and also I have sent you the PDF. The detailed notes I have sent you. Got it? I asked you to copy the same PDF. In that also we have done the number of mistakes. So see how you have written methane. Don't you know how to write the methane? CH4 methane. But what you have written? Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. In the middle what should I write? Carbon. Instead of carbon, writing carbon, you have written E. What does it mean? I am teaching you the organic chemistry, and such a bad response from you means I really got hurt. Is there any element called E in the periodic table? And ammonia I have written. NH3 is ammonia. What you have written? Hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. In the middle, instead of N, you have written M. See? If you are doing very such silly mistakes, it goes difficult for you to get pass in the second PUC board exam. See, every day is not a Sunday. Somehow you got passed in first PUC, or some of you got exempted due to this corona. But as I said, every day is not Sunday. You are going to face the annual exam very soon, annual board examination. So such mistakes are not accepted. Students who are regularly following my videos and reading, for them at least I am telling, do not repeat such mistakes. Watch the videos carefully. Try to write the running notes in the rough book. At the end of the chapter, I give the assignment questions, solve those, and I give the complete notes of the chapter. You just have to copy it down in your fair book. Okay? You are not a small children. I need not to explain such things to you. Got it? See, I do not expect such mistakes or such irresponsible behavior from you all students. Hope you understand. Okay, and we were studying about the preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. In that, from the alcohols we have studied, and also from the hydrocarbons we have studied. From the hydrocarbons, lastly what we have studied, by the addition of halogen. For example, CH2 double bond CH2, when Br2 bromine is added to this. CH2 double bond CH2, when bromine is added to this, what happens? Vicinal dihalide is formed. CH2 single bond Br CH2 single bond Br. Okay, I have explained this, but I forgot to write here as this reaction takes place in the presence of carbon tetrachloride CCl4. Just make this point clear. Is it clear? Okay. Br2, when bromine is added to the ethene in the presence of CCl4, okay, vicinal dihalide is formed. This reaction is also called used as a test for the detection of unsaturation. Decolorization of bromine, orange red color decolorization of bromine takes place by forming a vicinal dihalide. Okay, please just make this correction. Okay. Okay. Next you write the third method for the preparation of the haloalkanes, that is halogen exchange method. Okay. Third method is what? Halogen exchange method. It is one of the important. Okay. Here we will study one of the important named reaction. Two important named reactions. Okay. First one is what? Finkelstein reaction. Third main in that A. Finkelstein reaction. Important. Okay. Please concentrate what I explained. Finkelstein reaction is the method for the preparation of haloalkanes or alkyl halides. See, when alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides, generally I write are X, where X is Cl or Br. When alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides are treated with sodium iodide in dry acetone. In dry acetone, halogen exchange takes place. Means this X comes here, I goes here. That is what we call halogen exchange. Halogen exchange takes place by forming alkyl iodide. Or instead of X, I comes here. Plus NaX. What are these? Alkyl iodide. Is that clear? How we will write the reaction explanation for this, and one more correction. I given one question like this. Explain the Hofmann-Bromamide degradation method by taking an example. What you have written? You have written the explanation in 4 to 5 lines and no reaction at all. Please remember, whenever question is asked, explain the Hofmann-Bromamide degradation reaction or explain any of the reaction. If the question is asked, it is understood that you have to write the reaction followed by explanation, or first explanation followed by reaction. Okay? Reaction carries a mark step with explanation. Got it? So, how you write what is Finkelstein reaction? Give the general reaction. What is Finkelstein reaction? Give the general reaction. If the question is like that, when alkyl chlorides or bromides, when alkyl chloride or bromide is treated with sodium iodide in a dry acetone, halogen exchange takes place by forming alkyl iodide. This reaction is called as Finkelstein reaction. Is that clear? Yes. Now we'll move on to the examples. Example number 1. Okay, remember only alkyl group I am taking here. Where R is an alkyl group. CH3Cl I will take first. CH3Cl plus sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. CH3 I plus NaCl is formed. What it is? Methyl chloride. Sodium iodide. What is formed? Methyl iodide is formed. Okay. One more point to remember here. What is the role of dry acetone here? Okay, when alkyl halide and alkyl iodide react each other, it is a reversible reaction. What the reaction is in equilibrium. What is the meaning of that? The formed products can react back to form the reactants again. These two can react each other to again halogen exchange can take place to form the reactants. We don't want it. I want alkyl iodide. For that, what I have used? Dry acetone. Dry acetone, what does it do? This precipitate is there, no, sodium chloride precipitate or sodium bromide formed salt. When it is dissolved in acetone, it will get precipitated. It can be removed out. Okay? According to the Le-Chatelier's principle, by using the dry acetone, the equilibrium can be shifted towards product side. According to the Le-Chatelier's principle, by using the dry acetone, equilibrium can be shifted towards product side. What does it dry acetone do? It reacts with the sodium iodide by forming the precipitate. Got it? Okay. Next, second example, you try to write C2H5. This is ethyl group and Br, ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide plus sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. C2H5Br. Okay, C2H5Br plus, C2H5 iodide plus NaBr. Remember, always alkyl iodide will be the product in case of Finkelstein reaction. This is what? Ethyl iodide. Okay. Third example. C2H5Cl plus NaI. C2H5I plus NaCl. What it is? Ethyl chloride forms ethyl iodide. Okay? Hope this is clear to you. Finkelstein reaction. Remember, what is the product formed in the Finkelstein reaction? That is alkyl iodide. Okay, what are the reactants? Alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide and sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone. Okay, if this question will be asked for 2 marks in an annual board examination. What is Finkelstein reaction? Give an example anta kelbahudu, ಅಥವಾ what is Finkelstein reaction? Explain with the general reaction. This is what? This is general reaction. General reaction it is. Okay, these are the examples. Is that clear? Okay, in the halogen exchange method itself, the next B is Schwarz reaction. Okay, mark this also as important reaction. Schwarz reaction. Okay, this method is also used for the preparation of the haloalkane. Which haloalkane? Alkyl fluoride. What is definition? When alkyl chloride or bromide are treated with metallic fluoride or any of the metallic halide. Metallic fluoride. Okay, gives halogen exchange takes place to form alkyl fluoride. Okay, halogen exchange takes place to form alkyl fluoride. Okay, for the explanation I have written this. When alkyl chloride or bromide is treated with the metallic fluoride, example silver fluoride, halogen exchange takes place by forming alkyl fluoride. Okay, how to write the general reaction? Same, alkyl halide, where X is chloride or bromide. treated with a metallic fluoride. Example, metal. Silver is a metal. Metallic fluoride means AgF, silver fluoride. Halogen exchange takes place to form alkyl fluoride. Plus what? AgX. What is this? Alkyl fluoride. Okay, this is the general reaction of the Schwarz reaction. Got it? Okay. See, when you remember the reaction, you can write the explanation. So I am not wasting my time in writing the explanation here. See, when alkyl fluoride or bromides are treated with the metallic fluoride such as silver fluoride, halogen exchange takes place to form alkyl fluoride. What is the product formed in the Schwarz reaction? Alkyl fluoride. Remember it. Okay, you write the general reaction. Okay. Okay. Then we'll move on to the examples. Okay. Write it below. Where X is Cl or Br. Okay. Example, writing example is easy, isn't it? First example, alkyl group of CH3, halogen Cl plus silver fluoride to form what? CH3F. CH3F means what? It is methyl fluoride plus AgCl. Okay, it's a precipitate. Okay, second one, C2H5Br plus AgF. Don't take any other halogens here. Okay, gives C2H5F plus AgBr. Third example, CH3Br plus AgF gives CH3F plus AgBr. Should write the reactants as well as products names. Okay, that is methyl chloride gives methyl fluoride. Ethyl bromide gives ethyl fluoride. Methyl bromide gives methyl fluoride. Like you can write the different examples. Okay, see, Finkelstein reaction and Schwarz reactions are very easy reactions as well as very much important reactions. What is Schwarz reaction? When alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide is treated with the, directly you can tell AgF, is treated with the silver fluoride, alkyl fluoride is formed. Is that clear? When alkyl chloride or bromide is treated with the silver fluoride, alkyl fluoride is formed. This reaction is called as Schwarz reaction. What is Finkelstein reaction? Same. When alkyl chlorides or alkyl bromides are treated with the sodium iodide in triacetone, alkyl iodides are formed. Okay. Write these two reactions. Organic chemistry is based on how much you will practice. It's a volatile subject. If you just read it once and leave, you will forget. Okay. You have to practice the reactions. Okay. Yes, halogen exchange method. We have studied in the halogen exchange method. We have studied the Finkelstein reaction as well as Schwarz reaction. This completes the methods of preparation of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, thank you.